Just within 5 minutes, I have created this Mercedes AMG car poster using Canva. Hi friends, my name is Rajesh. I'm Canva certified community trainer, Canva creator and Canvastor. Welcome back to the car poster design series. This is episode number 6 in which we are going to create this Mercedes AMG car poster just within 5 minutes. I will explain each and every single process in detail. So let's get deep dive into it. Firstly, open the Canva and just go to this create option and here search A4 and click on this option, that is document portrait 8.5 into 11 inch. After clicking on it, you will find a blank page just like this. I will explain the designing process from here because I have placed the images and the text details also. Here you will find that 2 images I have placed. I have find out these images from the Mercedes website. You can also find out these type of images from the respective website of any of the car. So I have explained about finding the car images in all the other videos. You can find out the playlist here. You can go and check out that at how I am finding out the car images from the respective website. So let's get back to here. I will add a page and firstly I will place this image here. The main part of creating any of the car poster is creating the layout, and the text details are so much easy. You can place the text details very easily. You can find out the text copy from the car website and the headings, the fonts. It is so much easy to figure out to place the text. If you know the basic of the graphic design, you can easily create the text details. So the layout is the most important and I will explain that in details. After placing this, I will choose the second image which I am going to use to create this poster. So I will just make it like this. So after decreasing its transparency, I will look at this, that how it is looking. So I am going to place it like this. You have to remember one thing, that while placing any of the images, you have to figure out that whether the main part which we are going to highlight, is it in center or not. As you can see here, 55 mg should be in center, little bit center. So I am looking at that. After decreasing the transparency, it looks good. So I have to place the car little bit much lower like this. I will increase it and I will send it to the back. The small adjustment of the placing of the images, I will figure it out after creating the complete designs. I will just duplicate it and remove the background of this. Why I am removing the background, let me show you that also. So I will select the image which is having the background and I will apply blending here just by using the image blender tool. I have already explained about the image blender in one of my videos. The link is in the description box and also on the I button. You can just go and check out that. Let's get back to the video. Here, after just click on the image blender, I will select this linear option because I am going to apply linear blending, and just I will change it like this. So if you look at this image, I have selected the wrong image. So I will select the image which is having the background, and then just to remove this option, I will just click on the radial and then linear once again. Then change its direction like this and blend it properly. And then after applying the blending properly, I will just click on the save button and wait for a few seconds. After saving, you will see that it is uploading in the upload section. You can see, you can find out for here, and you will find this option, image blender has successfully uploaded the media to your library. You can use it whenever you need. And just I will duplicate it, remove the background, and we will place once again in the center properly. If you see the rulers is intersecting, it means that both these images, the images which I have of this handle in the back side and in the front side, both are center aligned. I will just go to this position option and send it to the back just like this, and I will put it above like this. And now let's make a little bit adjustment. Let's move it above like this and let zoom it like this, and you can see that here is little bit white seeing. So I will just change the background to this color just by clicking on the eye picker tool like this, and you will find here that this shape is blank. So for that we will use magic expand to expand the background of this car to this extent also. Just duplicate and place it properly. Go to this edit option and then just go to the background remover and reset the tools, confirm, and here just go to this magic expand option and just increase its size to this option so that we can generate the background of the full size of the artboard. Then just click on expand button and let the magic happens. Here you will find that 4 option is given by the Canva AI. You can just click on and it check it that which is perfect for you. You can just select it. I am finding that fourth one is little bit good. If you don't love any of these images, you can just click on the generate new results to generate new 4 images. I am little bit satisfied from this image, so I will just click on the done option. And once after clicking on the done option, I will just drag it like this. So you can find that it is perfect looking, and we have created the perfect background. After that, to write the text, I am going to apply a gradient on it. So for gradient, I will take a rectangle. I will just press R and just go to this option, and I will choose the color, this one, the color which is in this handle also and in this car also, and click on add new color, gradient, and just slide it from here, add color, delete this one and add one more, decrease the transparency to around 50 and decrease its transparency to 0 so that it gets submerged to the background, and then just rotate it from here, and just like this I will place it above it. Then we just go to this position option and send it to the back of this one, and let me send this one also to the back side. Now we can write the text here to make it little bit much more clear. So I will just select all the text here and I will paste it like this, and I will place it into the center of the art code, and you can see that our poster is almost complete. But if you look at this option here, we can apply a shadow so that it looks realistic. So I will just go to this element option and I will search a shadow and enter, just go to this graphics option, and let's take this shadow and make it little bit like this position, and send it to the back like this and put it like this. Just duplicate it once more, make the size little bit bigger like this, and then just send it to this position, decrease its transparency little bit. Now if you see this poster, this looks so much amazing, and we have created this poster just within 5 minutes. And to download it, to use it to any other place, just go to the share option and then just click on the download button, increase the size to the maximum to download it in the high quality, then select the page whatever you are having done and download. And if in case if you want to download this poster in PDF format, you can just click on the share option and then just select the PDF print. If you want to take the printout or if you want to use digital use, it's totally your choice. Just select the page and then done. And here if you want to take printout, select the CMYK, and if you want to use it for digital, click on the RGB. I will select CMYK and just click on the download button. Let me show you that after downloading it how it is looking. So you can see our PNG and PDF both have downloaded. I will just drag it here and I will just drag the PDF here. You can see this one, this is also perfect, and this PDF is also ready to take out the printout from a printout shop. So that's it for today guys. I hope you love this car poster design series episode number 6. If you love this video, must like, share and comment your thoughts. Whatever the queries you are having, just comment below. I will try to resolve your queries. Until then, I will be back with another video. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.